peoples, welcome back to my channel Glamour World by Ritika. Hope you all guys are doing well. I'm also doing well. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to create this look which I already created. This look is super festive, and also many of you guys commented on my recent video that you guys really like my eyeliner style and want to have a tutorial about the eyeliner look. So today in this video I'm going to do the eyeliner as well. So please keep on watching, and further any talk, let's go. So I'm going to start by priming my face first. As always, I'm going to apply the primer little bit into my eyelids. Then I'm going to color correct a little bit. I'm going to use my orange color corrector into the areas of my face where I have hyperpigmentation, red marks and pimple spots. Then I'm just going to blend it lightly with my fingers. I'm going to apply a little bit of color corrector into my mouth area, as I have hyperpigmentations in there, and also in my nose area. Make sure you set the color correct using some powder so it does not mix with your foundation and makes your foundation looks assy. Now I'm going to apply a stroke cream in the higher points of my face, like where I like to use my highlighter, into my cheekbones, little bit on my forehead, nose bridge and into my chin. I'm going to blend the stroke cream really well to make sure that I'm glowing from the inside. Now I'm going to apply my foundation and I'm going to blend it with my foundation brush. After blending the foundation with the brush, I am going to blend the foundation once again using my beauty blender to have a natural finish. Now I am going to apply concealer and going to use the concealers to give a structure to my face like this. Now I am going to blend it with the same damp beauty sponge. Next I am going to warm up my contour stick little bit in the back of my hand and going to take my contour brush. First I am going to place the contour cream where I like to contour. Then I am going to blend it upwards like this. For this look I am not going to do a heavy contour cause I am going to apply bronzer later. If you want to do only cream contour, you can do it heavily. I am going to contour my forehead a little bit as well. Now I am going to sharpen those contour line using some face powder. This process also called baking. You can use loose powder as well, you can use banana powder as well. Also going to apply face powder in my nose bridge, on my forehead, chin and into my under eyes. and I'm going to set this powder about 5 minutes, then I'm going to dust it off. Now moving to the eye makeup. So first I am going to apply a nude warm brown kind of shades as a transition shade. I'm going to blend it all over my crease. Then in a flat eyeshadow blending brush I am going to take a dark pink color and going to first place it over the brown and into my eyelids as well. Then I am going to blending it with the brown, so make sure you have don't harsh line between them. So I dust off the powder. Now I am going to take little bit of concealer and going to apply in the middle of my eyelids and going to cut the 1/3 of my crease. It does not need to be perfect because I'm going to blend it with the eyeshadows anyway later. Now I'm going to blend the concealer with the pink eyeshadow using my flat eyeshadow blending brush to make sure there were no harsh line. Now I'm going to pat a dark green shimmery eyeshadow over the concealer. Make sure you pat the shimmer eyeshadow really well to cover the all whiteness of concealer. For the last time I am going to blend the green and the pink to make sure there were no harsh line between them again. I apply falsies and eyeliner off camera. Now it's time to do the Arabian look. So first I am just going to slowly pull a line from my inner corner like this. Then I am going to draw a V and going to connect in the inner corner like this, just like you are drawing a V in your inner corner. Then I am going to fill the gap, and lastly I am going to sharpen the V part and going to touch up some of my mistakes. You have to do this look really carefully. Make sure that you does not poke your eyes with the eyeliner brush. And yeah, that's it. Now I am going to apply a heavy layer of kajal into my waterline. So that's the final eye look. Now I am going to do the other eye off camera. Now I am going to apply a little bit of bronzer as I said earlier. Just to have a little bit more warmth to my skin. Now I am going to apply blush. Then I am going to set the whole makeup using some setting spray so it lasts all day long. Now I am going to highlight my cheekbones, on nose bridge and my forehead and little bit on my chin. Now I am going to finish the look using some mauve pink color lipstick. You can use light pink color, you can use nude colors. So this is the final look after wearing jewelries and the hairstyle. I am going to give all the product link in my description box. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video and find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family members. And if you are seeing my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Glamour World by Ritika and also press the bell icon so whenever I post any video you will get the notification first. So yeah, that's it about today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.